Aloha, guys! Just watch one battle after another, and it is surely a film to remember. And I was so shocked, actually, at how the hype of this film was developed when it was shown on its first weekend last September. I gotta say, to be perfectly honest, I don't believe much in the hype, but it is a masterful of a film, and it's definitely my cup of tea. I just couldn't see everyone liking it. It really depends on the viewer because it has a weird narrative at the beginning, and I didn't quite get myself attached to the characters early in the film because every character is flawed. But once our main girl protagonist was introduced, things got interesting. And for the sake of my viewers, guys, magtatagalog na muna ako dito sa review na to. So, like, kami ni Veronica, may mga early theories kami sa story ng pelikula kung saan tutungo. Ayoko din masira yung experience nyo sa habang pinapanood nyo 'to, pero tama kami sa hula namin ni Veronica sa kinalabasan. Yun lang masasabi ko. Pero may times na unpredictable yung ibang scenes kung ano yung kalalabasan, but in a good way. So, sa movie, meron tayong halos 5 main characters. Yung bida natin, si Bob Ferguson, na ginampanan ni Leonardo DiCaprio. Tapos yung anak niya na si Willa Ferguson, na ginampanan naman ni Chase Infinity. I think ito yung pinakauna niyang pelikula na ginawa. Kaya good for her. Kasi napaka-natural ng acting niya sa movie. Tapos si Sergio, or we call him Sensei in the movie, na ginampanan ni Benicio del Toro. Such an amazing actor. Una ko siyang na-follow nung napanood ko yung The Wolfman noong 2010 pa when I was in high school. So, ever since, lahat ng pelikula niya na bago, pinapanood ko na rin. Pati yung mga nauna pa niya. So, Perfidia Beverly Hills, portrayed by Tiana Taylor. So, eto yung pinaka-kinaiinisan ni Veronica na character sa movie. Malalaman niyo kung bakit pag napanood niyo na. And we have Sean Penn as Colonel Stephen Lockjaw. What a villain name, guys. As in, intimidating siya sa movie, tsaka one of the best performances this year. Sa sobrang memorable ng pagkaganap niya, meron siyang mannerism at napaka-iconic kung paano siya maglakad. Like literally, alam mo na agad na siya si Colonel Stephen Lockjaw. So, Paul Thomas Anderson really is a masterful director. Meron siyang style at narrative structure sa mga pelikula niya na laging may message. And that's something that makes a director iconic. Na pag napanood mo yung isang scene sa isang pelikula, alam mo na, ay, siya yung nag-direct nito. Like, kind of like how Christopher Nolan has his style. Wes Anderson, David Fincher, Denis Villeneuve, Steven Spielberg, and many more. I wouldn't say this is PTA's best film, but it is one of the best and most original in recent years. In my opinion, PTA's best film is There Will Be Blood. Like, goddamn, Daniel Day-Lewis is such a top-tier actor kung paano niya gampanan yung role niya dun sa mismong pelikula na yun. Okay, guys? The iconic scene na I drink your milkshake. If you haven't watched that film, you are missing out, man. Now, back to this movie, gusto ko lang rin sabihin na di ko in-expect na mas madami yung comedic scenes. Like, comedy scenes dito sa movie na to. I'm so glad na di ko napanood yung ibang clips na ito or other trailers kasi masisira yung expectations ko. Like, no joke. Ang daming scenes dito, natawa lang ako ng tawa. Pinaka-favorite ko yung time na may kailangan tawagin si Bob para kamustahin ko nasaan na yung anak niya. So, pero di niya malaman-laman kasi may kailangan sabihin na code phrase or coded message para tumuloy yung usapan nila. Pero sa sobrang tagal niyang nawala sa pagiging resistance and freedom fighter, at saka siyempre naiba na yung lifestyle niya sa sobrang tagal na yun, for 16 years, malamang hindi na niya maalala lahat ng kailangan sabihin na i-reply dun sa kausap niya. So, if you watch it, God, I love that scene. And also, don't expect na madami tong action na kasi pero ito lang masasabi ko, meron 'tong isang memorable na mahabang car chase scene sa huli, and it did not disappoint me at all. Jeez, I'm just so thankful na meron pa ring mga directors ngayon na gumagawa ng ganitong pelikula. I will say though na di lahat makaka-appreciate nitong movie na 'to. May mga mawi-weirduhan sa unang act ng movie, pero meron din naman na mag expect na action movie 'to. But no, This is much, much more complex than that. So, sa laki ng scope ng kwento nitong pelikula, I really appreciate yung ginawa ni PTA na lagyan ng comedy. Kasi kung wala yung mga ganong scenes, masyadong seryoso yung pelikula at mahirap ma-absorb ng viewer kung walang magpapa-uplift sa'yo sa mga ganong nangyayari sa storya, kung walang magiging comedy. So, I think that's it, guys. So, what are you expecting? Huh? Huh? This film very well deserves a goddamn 10 out of 10 for me, guys. So, di ko masabi na go watch this movie with your friends and family kasi hindi naman siya recommendable for the family. So, many mature and disturbing context dito na di lahat makakagets. But if you wanna try watching it, you are in for a treat because it's a powerful movie with so much message delivered through the structure of the plot na meron kang magagawang sarili mong interpretation sa pelikula. It's that gigantic, epic na pelikula na pwede mong lagyan na sarili mong message or interpret mo kung ano gusto mong masasabi do sa pelikula or masasabi mo do sa isang scene na yun. Meron kang makakalap din na moral value at the end of it. So, that's it, guys. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Babush.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Yeah. Go past him! No. Where are you taking me? Just shut up! I need to find my daughter. You know where I can get a gun?
Courage, Bob. Courage.
Me and Willa's mom, we used to do some real bad. Now they're coming after us.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
You have to save that child.
Come on, baby, come on!
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Got more fight in you than the rest of us.